Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to look at the fan belt replacement. First of all, we need to inspect your fan belt regularly and you need to change it regularly. You need to look at for things like cracks like this in the belt, and you need to look at damage like that in the belt. I don't think we actually pay attention enough to the fan belt. So in this video I'm going to show you, just a quick video, how to remove and replace the fan belt. It is actually more commonly known as a fan belt, although some refer to it as the water pump belt or the alternator belt, because it drives your alternator and it drives your water pump. So that belt is very important to be replaced regularly, because if it snaps while you're driving, you're literally going to have a big problem, because you won't be able to drive, because your car will overheat and it will not charge the battery. It's always a good thing to drive with a spare fan belt in your boot, even the one that you will be taking off. Use that one as a spare. Just pop it in your boot. You never know where you may need it. You may even be in a position to help a fellow Mark 1 Golf owner that has had the unfortunate experience of having a snapped fan belt. So there you go guys, another tip just on your fan belt. Don't take chances with fan belts, rather replace them when they need to be replaced. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope it will help you with your fan belt, and continue to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a look at the links that I've placed up there in the video, and see you next time.